paranoia, fear, gunshots at night, prostitutes, sex workers, hawkers, beer stalls, shebeens, clubs. It's a space, a heart that has degenerated. The remnants of the colonial city is still here. The names have changed. The people have changed. It's a space of death, of death, of death. It is space that conjured up images of the special branch coming here to sell drugs to the inhabitants. It's a space of experimentation. It's a space of death. It is indeed a space in which people try to battle to make meaning of their lives.